Do you want some blood orange soda? What do you think? You just want to sit down and play with the pots again? Okay. What do you think? What do you think about that pot? To dance. Good job. What song was that? Good job. Hi. What do you want to tell me? Leaving? Checking out the trash? Coming back? Alright. What? What do you want to tell me? Faye. What do you want to tell me? Really? Guadut? Come back and tell me more. I want to know. Tell me. What else? Really? Okay. What do you think? Really? I don't know. You think so? You're gonna clean that up, put it in the garbage? What do you think? You want to throw it out? Yeah, you want to throw it in the garbage? Where's the garbage? Do you know? No, that's not the garbage. But I guess you could put it in there temporarily. Garbage? Put them in the garbage? In there? Okay. You think you dropped one? Oh, good. Make sure you get that. Way to take care of it. Okay. Now what about those? What about the pots? What are you going to do with them? I thought you put them in the drawer. Put them back on the floor? No. You're going to leave? Where are you going to go? Over there? What's that? Oh. Just making a mess, huh? Yeah? Make sure you get them all. Perfect. Or now you're going to put them back in? It's a great idea. Really keeping yourself busy. No, done. Fia, I don't think that you're really that efficient. Do you care about being efficient? Not really. You're just all about the action. What do you think? Okay. Any more? That one? Okay, don't forget about it. Good. Okay. Oh, You're gonna hurt your fingers one day with that drawer. 2 more. Oh, yeah, let's get that last one. Okay, good. Okay, perfect. Oh, found one more. We wouldn't want that one not to be in the drawer. Okay, watch your fingers. It's hard to open, huh? Okay, now what? Now what are you gonna do? What do you think? What's it? Really? What about the pot lids? You want to pick up the pot lids? Huh? She's engaged in some very bizarre behavior. She took that little paper towel back. You gonna do more? And she ripped it up into a million pieces, and then she put it in the drawer, and then she shut it, and then she took it all out of the drawer, put it on the floor. She's done this like 3 times.
Perfectly normal for Fiona.
Now she's thinking about taking him out again, I guess. She's gonna slam her little fingers in that drawer one day, and it's gonna be tragic.
She's done it.
She has?
She just stands there.
Really? Does she touch her head? Okay, bye.